Subscriptions steal money. Subscriptions are like a tiny hole in your toy bucket. You put coins in because you're saving for something big. The hole doesn't care if you're playing or sleeping. It's always open, always working. At first, you don't notice. $5 for a super fun app, $10 for a fitness tool, gathering digital dust. Nothing feels wrong because your card still works for ice cream. These holes are like tiny mice in your pantry. They take one crumb each night. The app company bets you won't cancel. They hide the button behind menus, then flash a guilt screen. Are you sure you want to quit? By the end of the year, the bucket is empty. You weren't robbed, you were quietly drained. The problem isn't the hole, it never closes. If you think these holes are sneaky, wait until the easy button makes your money vanish before you even taste it. Convenience drains your money. Convenience is like a personal robot doing your chores. Food delivered to your beanbag chair feels amazing. Tap a button, a car appears. Magic. At first, you feel like royalty. Why walk when the store comes to you? Why cook when a guy on a scooter brings tacos? But the robot doesn't work for free. It charges a lazy fee for every step. The taco is $5, service fee 3, delivery 4. It's like paying someone to peel your banana. At first, it feels harmless. Then the convenience monster appears. He makes everything so easy you stop checking prices. By week's end, your money is gone. Not on stuff, on shortcuts. You didn't buy anything cool. You paid to stay on the couch. Convenience isn't a gift. It quietly empties your wallet. Paying for convenience is a shortcut to being broke. Wait until you see the gift that makes you spend more than you ever intended. Rewards make you overspend. Rewards programs are like a shiny gold star your teacher gives you. It feels like a prize. The app says spend $5 more, get a free cookie. At first, it feels like you're outsmarting the store. Look at me, you think. I'm getting points for things I was buying anyway. But the points dragon is clever. He gives points for things you don't need. It's like buying a shirt you hate for a free sticker. The free cookie costs 10 extra dollars. Points look like gold at first. But when you use them, they're worthless. The store gamified your wallet. Your grocery list became a video game. The only way to level up is to lose coins. You didn't get a reward. You got tricked. The problem isn't the prize. It's an expensive race for a free sticker. Even ignoring stickers, the payday monster makes your money vanish as soon as you feel rich. Your paycheck is gone. Getting your allowance feels like a treasure chest, one big pile of gold. You feel like the richest kid on the playground. At first, it feels like the money will last. You buy the fancy chocolate, act like a king throwing a party. But the payday monster is clever. He reminds you the month has 4 weeks. Expenses don't wait. Rent arrives like a bully demanding lunch money. Electricity shows up like a pop quiz. Money leaves faster than a rainy day slide. By week 2, the party is over. You're eating bread crusts. It's like eating your birthday cake for breakfast and wondering why there's none left for the party. The bank balance wasn't a limit. It was a survival kit you treated like a jackpot. The problem? Living a month in the first 48 hours? If losing your paycheck is scary, wait until getting more money leaves your piggy bank smaller. Raises create bigger bills. Getting more money from your boss feels like your toy bucket got bigger. More coins, more possibilities. You've leveled up to boss mode. At first, it feels like problems are solved. You can buy cereal that doesn't taste like cardboard. You can get shoes with lights on them, but the magic bucket has a trick. So more coins make you crave newer things. Your old bike looks like junk. Your apartment feels like a tiny shoebox. You think, I deserve a big kid lifestyle. You trade small bills for giant ones. You didn't get richer, just upgraded habits. It's like ordering a giant pizza, then inviting 20 more people. By month's end, you're still hunting spare change under the couch cushions. The problem wasn't the raise, it was letting needs grow faster than salary. But if upgrading your life is a trap, wait until you see how stores use magic math to trick you into thinking you're saving money while they're actually robbing you blind. Discounts aren't savings. A sale looks irresistible. Buy one, get one free. 50% off. Limited time only. At first, it feels like winning. You're getting more for less. Your card is full, but your wallet barely feels lighter. Then you start noticing the patterns. Clothes you didn't need, kitchen gadgets that sit in drawers, subscription boxes you never open, extra snacks that disappear before you realize, shoes you bought just because they were on sale, small items you never planned to buy. stuff that clutters your home without real value. The discount isn't free, it's an illusion. Stores trained you to buy more. You're spending money you wouldn't have spent otherwise. By the end of the month, your savings have vanished. Your credit card balance is higher. Your bank account looks smaller. You wonder where all your money went. At first, discounts feel smart. By the end, they've quietly drained your money. That's why sales rarely save you anything. Minimum payments keep you broke. This one lasts the longest. Credit cards look harmless. You spend a little, you pay a little. At first, it feels manageable. The statement says minimum due. You pay for it. Life keeps moving. Then the problem shows up. Interest accumulates silently. Balances grow faster than you can pay. Debt compounds month after month. The small payments barely touch the total. Fees sneak in. Late charges appear. Promises of zero interest disappear. Extra purchases add up faster than you realize. Small mistakes become big problems. Before you know it, years have passed. You've paid thousands, but the balance barely drops. Your financial freedom shrinks. You can't save. You can't invest. All because you only paid the minimum. It feels safe, but it's a trap. The credit card company wins every time. You're stuck spinning wheels while the debt quietly grows. Minimum payments don't free you, they keep you trapped. New phones keep you broke. Every year, a new phone comes out. The ads are everywhere, shiny, fast, bigger screens. Camera better than anything before. At first, your old phone still works. Calls go through, apps open, messages sent. Then the pressure starts. Friends have a new model. Your apps run slower. The battery dies faster. Every notification reminds you it's outdated. New features tempt you, even if you don't need them. Accessories you bought last year no longer fit. Cases, chargers, and headphones pile up. You think upgrading is optional, but your mind tricks you. You feel behind. You feel left out. You feel like you need it to keep up. So you buy it. The old one gets tossed or forgotten. Your bank account feels lighter. And next year, the cycle repeats. New phones promise status, they deliver expenses, and that's why keeping up keeps you broke. And most people don't pay cash for it. That's where the next trap begins. Easy credit traps you. Credit cards, buy now, pay later apps, loans, they feel convenient. Quick approvals, no hassle, little monthly payments. At first, it feels harmless. You get what you want. Yeah, life keeps moving. Then slowly, the trap appears. Small purchases add up. Interest climbs silently. Automatic payments, late fees, and hidden charges pile up. Subscription renewals sneak by unnoticed. Impulse buys feel justified. Extra shopping just this once becomes routine. Your budget stretches without you noticing. Every swipe feels normal, but debt quietly grows. You tell yourself you'll pay it off later, but later never comes. You swipe, click, and borrow more. Your spending feels normal. Your freedom shrinks. The convenience turns into a chain. By the end of the month, you wonder where all your money went. What seemed easy has cost you control. Easy credit doesn't help. It's a trap, and it keeps you poor. More money won't help. People think a higher salary fixes everything. It doesn't. When more money comes in, spending follows. Bigger apartment, better car, nicer clothes, more subscriptions, more upgrades. At first, it feels like progress. You worked harder, you earned it, you feel ahead. Then the bills grow with the paycheck. Rent increases, car payments stretch longer, insurance costs rise, lifestyle becomes the new normal, saving still feels impossible. You tell yourself you just need one more raise, one better job, one bigger bonus, one more promotion, one more year. But the problem was never income, it was habits. Money without control disappears faster. More money only magnifies mistakes. Spending grows to match whatever you earn. That's why some people make six figures and feel broke. Income rises, stress stays. More money doesn't create security, better decisions do. Until those change and the cycle repeats forever. More money won't help.